How to use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. So if you want to use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Grammarly is a powerful tool that many of us use for writing and editing, but it also has some features you might not have explored yet, like checking your content for plagiarism. So let's dive in and explore how we can leverage Grammarly for this purpose. First, you want to go ahead and open up your web browser and head over to your Grammarly website. Once you're there, if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. But for those who already have an account, you can just simply go with login, which will be in the top right, and then log into your account using your Google, Facebook, Apple, or sign in with single sign-on. So I'll just simply go with Google. Click on the Google account that you would like to continue to use Grammarly. Go with continue again. Now wait for a few seconds and it will be logged in. Or you can just go ahead and register your email address. Once you entered your email, you can click on the continue and then proceed with the login process. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the Grammarly homepage, which serves as your dashboard for all writing activities. Now, the next step involves opening up a Google document where you have your AI-generated content. So let's switch over to Google Docs. And once you're in your document, look for the Grammarly icon that's usually located in the right sidebar. Or you can just simply go and copy and paste the text that you have on your document. Or there's also another way. What you can do is just simply go with the new document, which is right here on the left side. Click on the new document. After that, it will take you to the new untitled document. And you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just copy and paste the text that you have on your Google Documents. And once you've pasted, here on the right side, you will have check for AI text and plagiarism. So you need to click on it. And Grammarly will begin analyzing your document. As the tool works its magic. It scans your text for any potential plagiarism and marks any AI sourced content. This process might take a moment depending on the length of your document, but it's usually quite quick. That's how you can use Grammarly to check AI content for plagiarism. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.